Unadulterated.
Unspoiled land. Oh yeah, see, natural sponge.
Beautiful the way comes then. Just staring at the sunrise.
Wow.
Sunrise.
Skyline.
Let's look at the skyline. This is Kitgum, my home, where I was born. I feel purely, properly at home. Unadulterated.
Unadulterated, unspoiled land. It's beautiful.
Grapefruit. This is the grape one, the big one.
Oh, grapefruit.
Yeah, grapefruit. I'm telling you, it's going to grow big. Right, it's going to grow big. And then just produce lots and lots of fruits. Heavy fruit that is almost breaking the branches.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cold showers are the best in Africa. Sometimes I try to do them in the UK, like only if I haven't turned on the boiler or something and I need to shower because I just want to shower and I don't want to wait in a rush. I try to do it, but here it's just so refreshing. It's quite early, so it is still cool, but it just kind of gets you ready for the morning, And yeah, this is kind of my towel because I didn't bring a towel. I just have a scarf. I just have this scarf, so I'm kind of using it as a towel. And yeah, it's just lighter. It's just light. I need a travel towel. So this is the dress that I got made in Gulu. Here we go. I'm going to be wearing it today. But the way, I just noticed the way they did the material. One of it's this way, the other one's this way. Can you see? One of it's down, the other one's there. Oh gosh, these people. Anyway, it's okay. Yeah, it's a beautiful morning. I've just been out here enjoying the cool weather while it's still cool. We are deep in the village. Deep. Well, yeah, deep in the village. Deep. One deep is enough. The bundle, yeah, well, we'll be gone by then. My mum is buying some MTN bundle.
Bless you all. Happy to be here.
Yes.
Yes.
In your home city.
Yeah.
This is how Mama sits on the road.
Relax. So we've just had breakfast and now we're leaving to do some stuff here elsewhere. We are on our way.
See the tree? It's called Kitgum. How winding it is. Tree. Auntie Consi is picking marrow from the tree. These things are used for washing the body, for bathing, and these ones are dry. Actually, when they're not dry, they look like cucumber. Yeah. This one is not yet dry. No, it's not dry.
This one is now ready.
Yeah. This one is not yet ready. So you keep it in the sun? Oh yeah, see, natural sponge, scrubber. Wow, I like it. Okay, we go.
Okay.
This is the simple life living amongst goats, just crossing the road, and chicken.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
Can I speak in the local language, please?
There we go.
Hi, my name is Dorothy Lanyero.
Yes.
Here is what I prepared for my visitors. There is Lakotokoto,
Yeah.
made of sim, but I've put some mixture of meat, and this is posho. It is made out of maize, maize flour, yeah. And here I have some fruit.
Wow.
This is jackfruit I've made for my visitors. I love you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much for blessing us.
Here you go to bed.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thank you very much.
Hi
He wants to do everything. Everything the people do.
So we are finally back, and taking makeup off is just a great feeling. That's just the start. I need to shower as well. But I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. I think I'm just gonna end it here. Maybe we'll have some tea later, I don't know, but just see. We'll just have to see. I hope you've enjoyed this vlog so far. If I don't continue, then bye for now.